Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes, where innovation meets excitement. Today, we're diving into one of the most thrilling automotive reveals of the year, the 2026 Jaguar GT. This isn't just a new car, it's Jaguar's bold vision of the future, fusing electrifying performance with stunning design and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a fan of speed, luxury, or futuristic engineering, the Jaguar GT is about to blow your mind. The 2026 Jaguar GT has officially made its debut, and it's turning heads across the automotive world. With a bold step into the future, Jaguar is redefining the essence of the modern-day sports car. The GT isn't just a car, it's a declaration, an announcement that the brand's vision for performance, design, and luxury has evolved into something entirely fresh and forward-thinking. The all-new Jaguar GT represents a culmination of engineering precision, cutting-edge technology, and artistic automotive design. If you ever wondered what the future of sports cars looks like, Jaguar may have just handed you the answer. At first glance, the 2026 Jaguar GT stuns with its sculpted bodywork and aerodynamic elegance. The long, low hood, wide stance, and flowing lines give it the look of a vehicle designed to slice through the air. Jaguar's designers went all out to ensure every inch of the GT speaks performance. With a front fascia that blends aggression and elegance, LED matrix headlights that pierce the night with unmistakable sharpness, and a taillight design inspired by aviation aesthetics, this car exudes modern sophistication with a pulse of heritage. Under the hood, the 2026 Jaguar GT doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a next-generation hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged V6 engine with an advanced electric motor system. Together, they deliver over 700 horsepower to all four wheels, ensuring blistering acceleration and precise control in all conditions. The electric motor not only enhances performance but also gives the GT the ability to cruise silently in EV mode for short distances. This dual nature, brutal performance and refined electric driving, makes the GT a true embodiment of the future. Inside, the cabin is a perfect fusion of luxury and technology. Leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum are masterfully blended to create a cockpit that feels both luxurious and race-ready. The driver-focused layout includes a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment display with eye-driven customization, and an augmented reality heads-up display that projects critical information directly onto the windshield. Jaguar has also prioritized sustainability, using eco-conscious materials where possible without sacrificing quality. Technology flows throughout the 2026 GT, from its adaptive suspension that adjusts in real time, to its advanced AI co-pilot system that learns driving habits and preferences. The car features Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities for highway cruising, and voice-activated controls that respond naturally and intuitively. Jaguar's engineering team has also ensured that the GT's soundtrack is unforgettable. Through specially tuned exhaust systems and interior sound enhancement, the GT provides a driving experience that satisfies all senses. The 2026 Jaguar GT isn't just another step for Jaguar, it's a leap. It brings the British marque into direct competition with some of the world's most elite Grand Tours and supercars, while staying true to Jaguar's core identity of grace, power, and innovation. This vehicle doesn't simply aim to keep up, it's meant to lead. With a balance of raw power, clean energy, and driver-focused design, the GT is a strong symbol of what's possible when performance meets progress. That was your first full look at the groundbreaking 2026 Jaguar GT, the car that proves the future of sports cars is not only alive but accelerating faster than ever. Jaguar has truly raised the bar with this masterpiece, blending tradition with next-gen innovation. Thanks for riding with us on Auto Speed's Vibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned as we continue bringing you the hottest cars redefining the road.